Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the question answer of second chapter of economics of class 9. The first question is, what do you understand by people as a resource? People as answer. People as a resource is a way of referring to a country's working people in terms of their existing production skills and abilities. Second question, how is human resource different from other resources like land and physical capital? Answer is, human resource is different from other resource due to various reasons. First, human resource is different from land and physical capital because only humans can use other resources like land and physical capital. Second, only human resource is the living, active, and sensitive factor of production. Third, only human resource can think, analyze, and take decisions. Fourth, human resource aid to productive power of country. Question number third, what is the role of education in human capital formation? Answer is, education plays a significant and very vital role in human capital formation because education helps the humans to achieve and realize their full potential. It helps to make people successful in their life in the form of higher incomes earned through better jobs and higher productivity. Education helps the people by broadening their knowledge and providing them training. Question number 4. What is the role of health in human capital formation? Answer is, health plays an important role in human capital formation for several reasons. First, only a healthy person can perform to his full potential. A healthy person can do the work in a more active manner. A healthy person can contribute to the growth and development of the economy by doing productive work. Fourth, an unhealthy person becomes a liability for the country. Indeed, health is an indispensable basis for realizing one's well-being. Fifth, realizing the importance of health, improvement in the health status of the population has been the priority of the government. Question number 5. What part does health play in the individual's working life? Answer is, Health plays an important role in the individual's working life because an unhealthy person cannot work efficiently. If the body is healthy, only then the mind can perform well. A healthy person is able to work harder and better, thus earning more and living a better life. Question number 6. What are the various activities undertaken in the primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector? Answer is the various activities undertaken in the primary sector: agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry, poultry farming, and mining. The various activities undertaken in the secondary sector: manufacturing and construction work. The various activities undertaken in the tertiary sectors: trade, transport, communication, banking, education, health, tourism, services, and insurance. Question number 7 is, what is the difference between economic activity and non-economic activities? Answer is, economic activities are those which contribute to the national income, but non-economic activities are those activities which do not contribute to the national income. Economic activities are done for pay or profit or gain or earn. Non-farm activities are not paid for. Economic activities are done to get remuneration. Non-economic activities are not done to do not get remuneration. Examples of economic activity: manufacturing, teaching, banking, etc. Examples for non-economic activities are persons who work in their homes, take care of old person, children, doing household work, social services, etc. In the next video, we will discuss rest question answer.